In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically log emails in HubSpot CRM in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. We'll begin by heading over to the HubSpot website. This is your starting point. Once the HubSpot homepage loads, you'll notice the login button located in the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that, and you'll be directed to the login page. Here, you're going to want to select the option to sign in with Google. Upon clicking, you'll need to choose your Google account from the list that appears. This option helps streamline your login process by linking your existing Google credentials with HubSpot. Once logged in, navigate to your CRM. There should be a direct link on your dashboard, but if you don't see it, you can easily find it by searching for CRM in the HubSpot search bar. Next, locate and click on Inbox from the menu. This section is integral as it deals with how your emails are managed within HubSpot. After you've opened the inbox, you'll see an option labeled Team Email. Click on that. The option to log emails automatically primarily requires configuring this feature, starting with setting up team emails. Here you'll find an option to link with Gmail, which is a necessary step. Click on Gmail, and a new window will appear guiding you through the connection process. Next, simply click Continue. You'll be prompted to choose your Google account once more. This is how HubSpot will interact with your email, so make sure you're selecting the Google account you intend to use for email logging. Proceed by authorizing any permission requests presented. This gives HubSpot the necessary access to log your emails automatically. Remember, permissions are essential in ensuring a smooth integration process. Following permissions, take a moment to set the From name. This is the name appearing to recipients when you send an email through the CRM. It's a crucial detail that helps maintain a professional appearance on all your communications. Once you've chosen your From name, you'll need to click Next. Here, you're almost at the finish line, so ensure all details appear as expected before proceeding. Finally, click on Connect and Finish. This last step confirms all your settings and finalizes the integration of HubSpot CRM with your email account. And just like that, you've successfully set up automatic email logging with HubSpot CRM. Now, every email you send will be tracked within your CRM, providing you with a comprehensive view of all communication with your clients. This function will save you time, reduce the chance of human error, and ensure that no essential emails slip through the cracks. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips and insights on maximizing your use of HubSpot CRM.